Good morning, students. Let's see the anecdote of Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, he was the great English physicist and mathematician who discovered gravity. So let's see the anecdote of his. Once Isaac Newton, he was compiling it means putting together the notes on all the research he had conducted over the course of 20 years. Once Sir Isaac Newton, he was compiling the notes of all the research that he had conducted for 20 years. And during this time, his pet dog named Diamond, he was sleeping nearby. Newton worked all day, and as it was night time, so he decided to continue his work. So he lit a few candles and continued his work. But suddenly he heard a knock at the door, and he went to answer it after closing the door behind him. When he was compiling his notes that he had conducted for 20 years, as he was continuously working, at night time he lit some candles and continued his work. During that time, his dog Diamond, he was sleeping nearby. Suddenly there was a knock at his door. So to answer it, he stood up and he closed the door behind him. When Diamond heard the strange voices, he woke up and panicked. Why he was panicked? Because he didn't see his master around. So he started barking in excitement, and due to barking in excitement, he collided with Newton's study table, and upset the candle on the table. Due to this, the notes on which Newton was working, they were reduced to ashes. So when Newton came, he saw that all the notes, they were reduced to ashes. Instead of becoming angry, Newton stroked the dog's head gently and said, "Diamond little knew the mischief he had done." He informed his dog that he knew nothing that he had done. Thank you, students.